Hey guys, welcome to your girl channel, Georgette. Good to have you visiting my channel again. And are you new to me? Then keep watching. I'm shooting from the tropical beaches in the Bahamas. Yes! And don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe at the end, not before. So I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek of what it's like living here in the Bahamas and how grateful I am. You know, I tend to find gratitude in the very small things that people complain so much about. But gratitude is when you are grateful for what you have right now. And so I would say to you guys, whatever it is that you have in your life, be grateful for it. Because then God is going to bless you with more. Look at this beauty. I'm going to stand up. Look at this beautiful blue water. Oh my Lord. Can you guys get a sneak? Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, look at that. The seaweed came up. Look at the beauty. Oh my gosh. Guys, I promise you, when you're grateful for what you have, you are blessed with more. It's a windy day, but I just wanted to come out for the evening, you know, to raise my vibration a bit. This does it for me. This is peaceful, this is calm, but this gets me in a good, happy mood. It raises my vibration. Yes, and we know that when you raise your vibration, you get on the energy, on the frequency of the things that you want in your life, and so you attract them and the people in your life as well. Yeah, I'm gonna sit back down again and just let you guys just hear and to see what I am blessed with each day. So this evening, it's afternoon. The sun, well, it's the fall, so the sun is it's not out. So let me see this side, if you can see the sun on that side there. And so I just thought to come on the beach, and I'm gonna have a mango, sip on some water, do some reading, and just be in gratitude mode. Guys, when you're going through a rough period in your life, when you think that there is no way out, when you're feeling stressed, guys, go into gratitude. I promise you, when you see all that surrounds you and you can be grateful for that, do you know how powerful gratitude is? It's one of the highest frequency. It's one of the highest vibration in the universe. There's love, then there's gratitude. And when you can be grateful for your 5 fingers, 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. That's right, we have 10 fingers. And your 10 toes. When you can be grateful that you live in a place where I am literally 5 minutes away. I am literally 5 minutes away from here, guys. I live right down the street from here. And I just thought that this evening I just want to take a break from everything. And I want to come and sit on the beach. And I thought that I will shoot this video for you guys, just so that you guys can enjoy the beauty as well that I have here daily. It is beautiful. Let's be grateful, guys. We are all alive and well. We're all alive. We didn't know that in March that any of us would have been here, and it's December. It's almost the end of the year. It's a beautiful day here in the Bahamas. And so, guys, I would say to you, look around for what you have now. That's the only way you'll be blessed with more. Because then you'll be trusted with more to be grateful for more. You know, oftentimes we look at the things that we want, but we're not grateful for what we have now. And that's what holds us back. We want the nice home, we want the nice husband, we want the nice wife. We want this, we want that. But look at this, guys. Can I be... Oh my Lord, look at that. Ain't that just beautiful? What could I be sad about in my life, guys? What possible thing could I be sad about when I can get here in literally 5 minutes from my home? The beach is right here. And I can sit on the beach and I can read. And as I sit here, guys, I can tell you what's going through my mind. That everything that I desire is already manifested. Guys, everything, all my goals, all my dreams, all my desires, it's already manifested. As I'm sitting here, I am saying to myself, I am at the right place at the right time. And I am attracting the right influential people in my life, the right partner in my life. I'm attracting everything that I desire in my life right now. I am not thinking about my worries or my problems or whatever is going on with me or what it is that I don't have. I am not. I promise you. As I am sitting here, I am visualizing everything in my life as I want it to be. And I'm saying thank you. It's already done. Guys, find your place of solace. Find your place that does it for you. If you don't have a beach, can you walk down the street from where you live and just be in gratitude mode? The power of gratitude opens up the blessings from God Almighty, whomever God is for you. Gratitude opens up the windows and the gates of heaven for you to be blessed abundantly. I am grateful. Oh my gosh, I am grateful for this here that I have. I am so grateful, guys. I'm sitting here and I am so grateful. And I just thought I was not going to shoot a video, you know. I said I'm not going to shoot a video until I get back in this evening. But I thought, how selfish, Georgette. Look at all of this. How selfish. Seriously, I was not going to shoot a video here. I did not come with the intention to shoot a video. I came with the intention. I brought me a mango. And I got my water over there. And I got my ebook. I got my headphones with affirmations. And as I walked along just now, I got my feet wet. It's pretty rough, so I'm not going in. And so I got my feet wet. And I started saying some affirmations that I'm at the right place at the right time. And I'm so grateful. I am so grateful. I am so grateful for living in such a beautiful, 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 beautiful place that I can come here and walk on the beach. I'm the only one here except a gentleman that just passed. I'm the only one here. And I can meditate and I can visualize all my goals and dreams and my desires, because I know that I'm at the right place right now, at the right time in my life. And I know that I'm attracting the right situations, the right people, influential people, successful people in my life right now. And I know it, and I know it, and I know it. And guys, be grateful today so that you can activate the power within you, that you can manifest all your goals and your dreams and your desires now, guys. Be grateful now for what you have. And you may say you don't have a whole lot. That's okay. Be grateful for what you have now. And when you're grateful for what you have now, I promise you, you will be blessed with more. Guys, if it's your first time visiting my channel, I know you want to come back and see all of this beauty in the beautiful tropical Bahamas. I ask you now as I end to please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Keep watching as I'm going to leave some videos popping up for you. Keep on watching. I'll be leaving some wonderful videos popping up. My channel strive to inspire you, to motivate you, and to help to transform your lives. I'm going to leave a link below, and it's an amazing sound. It's a unique congrats. And I'm leaving you a free gift as well. Guys, it's your girl Georgette here, sending you much, much love.